In the grand cosmic theater, an epic struggle unfolds. A struggle between divine light and moral darkness, between virtue and vice, love and hatred, truth and deceit. A story where humanity, the protagonist, is caught in the throes of an unseen antagonist, Satan. This antagonist, an expert at deception, places himself between the divine and the human, obscuring the path to righteousness with his shadow of corruption. His mission? To divert the human mind, to cloud our judgment, to make us lose sight of the divine light. A world tainted with moral darkness and corruption seems to be his ultimate triumph. But is humanity to surrender to this darkness? Absolutely not. An antidote exists, a power that can pierce through this darkness and illuminate our world, divine light. This light hails from the heavens. It's the radiance of Christ. It has the power to drive back the darkness, to let the sunlight of his glory in. Amid the corruption, pollution, and defilement, this divine light becomes our beacon, our guide to a righteous path. It's a testament to the unwavering love the Father has bestowed upon us. Satan, however, is no ordinary antagonist. He doesn't wage an open war. He's far too cunning for that. He masquerades as an angel of light, alluring the unsuspecting from the safe and right path. With a counterfeit display of Christ's work, he sows seeds of doubt, attributing the miracles of Christ to human skill and power. His ultimate aim? To erode faith in Christ, the Messiah, the Son of God. In these trying times, Satan has a special target, the minds of our youth. He seeks to corrupt their thoughts, inflame their passions. But remember, we are all free moral agents, capable of guiding our thoughts towards the right path. In conclusion, the struggle between divine light and moral darkness is a constant one. But it's this very struggle that reminds us of the importance of seeking divine light, of resisting the moral darkness that Satan strives to spread. It is a call to recognize the divine love bestowed upon us, to believe in the power of Christ's light, and to guide our thoughts towards righteousness. For in this cosmic struggle, our choices, our faith, and our resilience are our greatest weapons.